Everybody in this life have one goal or one objective, which is to change their life. But most people are lost in the social media noise. I was one of them as well. When you come to social media, people overcomplicate things. They overcomplicate wealth, they overcomplicate running business, they overcomplicate picking even in niche, they overcomplicate everything. Because too many informations makes your brain lag. So in this video, I am giving you 5 practical steps to change your life in 2026. If you follow this plan step by step, there is no how you won't change your life in 12 months. Follow this plan step. Note, if you don't follow this plan, you're just here to listen and go without executing anything. Your life will remain the same. But if you're among those who want to change their life, who want to execute, you can stay on this video. But if you're among those who don't want to take action, you can skip ahead. You can skip this video. So firstly, you identify your goals. Before you can change your life, you need to identify some of the goals you want to accomplish in this life. Is it to is it to have a net worth of $100 million, $1 billion, or $10 million, or whatever? Just make your goals so specific. Or maybe you want to buy a particular car, make your goals specific. Secondly is identify possible obstacles towards achieving that goal. You identify your possible obstacles towards achieving that goal. Is it going to be distractions? Distractions is the number one obstacle for you towards achieving your goals. So you need to cut off all those distractions. You need to identify those obstacles in details so that you know the possible way you can go around it, or possible systems you can implement to so that those obstacles will be removed or will be controlled, so that you keep growing. Thirdly is draft a roadmap with daily actions to move you closer to your goals every single day. After you identify your obstacles, you draft out a roadmap. With those roadmap is going to have a timeline of when you want to achieve your goals, and also in the roadmap is going to give you daily actionables or daily things you need to be doing, so that every single day you're going 1% or 0.5% towards your goals every single day. If you're going 0.5% every single day towards your goals, you just need over 200 days to make your goals a reality. Or if you're growing 1% every single day, you just need 100 days to make your goals a reality. Just get a roadmap and daily actionables to grow, so that you can grow 1% or 0.5% towards your goals every single day. The fourthly is execute. After you have your roadmap, you have your daily actionables. Next thing is to execute. You need to execute like your life depends on it, because actually it does. Alex Mozi had a quote on one podcast. I've forgotten the guy's name. He said that if you want to achieve anything, you need to put in so much volume it will be unreasonable for you not to succeed. So execute. After your roadmap, you need to execute. Then lastly, which is fifthly, is fail, learn, you build. On the road, after you're executing, you will fail a lot, and that failure will make you to give up. But you will have the feeling of giving up, but do not give up. You need to continue going. That's why I say fail, learn, rebuild. After you fail, you will carefully analyze what made you fail and know what is actually working. Then you rebuild with that knowledge. One good thing about failing and rebuilding is that when you fail and you rebuild, you're not rebuilding from scratch anymore. You're rebuilding with the knowledge you have from your failure, which makes you grow even faster. So these are the 5 ways to change your life in 2026. If you have any questions, drop it down in the comments and I will get back to you. Note, if you don't execute this exactly as I explained it, you won't change your life in the next 12 months. But if you execute it like exactly as I explained here, then there's no how you won't change your life in the next 12 months. This is Julius signing out, and I'll see you in my next video.